Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can leverage GetGenie to improve your website SEO and optimize your content to enhance your online presence. Let's dive right in. Content matters and helps you connect with your audience. However, creating content consistently, effectively, and efficiently can be challenging. With AI tools like GetGenie, you can customize your content to meet these demands. To get started, sign up for a free GetGenie account using the link in the description. After signing up, you will enter GetGenie's editor. At the dashboard, you will see the option to create a new document. Click on New Document and give it a name. After successfully creating a document, on the right side you can see different templates. For example, here is a mode called Genie Mode. It will write anything for you. Click on it and add your content to this box. You can also set the creativity level of the AI, and you can also change the max results. Now, simply click on Write, and Genie's AI will write according to your given content. GetGenie offers 39 different templates that you can choose from. Now let's look at the Blog Wizard. It is an easy and quick AI tool for blog writing. The first task in any blog writing is to identify the primary keywords. Type in your primary keyword. In this case, our primary keyword is Best Coffee Maker Machine. Set the language to English and keep the SEO mode turned on to help analyze keywords with GetGenie's assistance. Select the United States as the target region and click Analyze Keyword. GetGenie offers an in-depth analysis with metrics and stats for keyword research, including search volume, competition difficulty level, and CPC. Next, we move on to generating the title where the customization begins. GetGenie allows up to 5 levels of creativity and provides 6 output results. For our video, we will select 3 result options and add some context to humanize the blog. Type Top 5 coffee maker machines in the US for 2024 as the context. Click Generate Title. GetGenie presents some title options. We will select this one because it is simple and easy to grasp. Move on to generating the intro. Before generating the intro, you can edit the title if needed. For now, keep the language as English, set creativity to level 3 and choose 3 result options. Click Generate Intro. GetGenie provides some intro options. Select any one that you like and click Next. The intro might seem a bit long, so trim it if necessary. After editing, select the language, creativity level, and results input again, then generate the outline. The real customization magic happens when generating the outline. GetGenie offers 3 sets of outlines from which you can select headings. You also have the option to fetch data from competitors' articles. Click Fetch Data to get a list of high-ranking articles against your keyword. Select one of the articles to see its headings. However, we will avoid using these headings and select outlines from the provided sets. After finalizing the outline, a pop-up box asks whether to select Customize Content or One-Click Blog. For customized content, select Customize Content. Add any necessary context or keywords for the text of the blog. Start writing the blog by selecting the first section. Choose the length, small, medium, or large. For the first section, select a small length and click Generate. If you're satisfied with the content, click Continue. If not, click Regenerate for another set of text. Continue this process for each section, selecting small lengths and generating content. Make slight edits if needed and proceed. Once the blog sections are generated and edited, insert the first draft into the GetGenie WP block editor. The customization or revision does not end here. You can select any section for further improvement. Click on the GetGenie icon and rewrite the text. You can edit the text yourself or let GetGenie do it for you. Select one of the 3 result options and replace the existing text. If you think more content can be added, select the desired place, click the icon and choose Continue Writing. GetGenie provides options to add more content. Select one of the 3 options provided. After making all the necessary changes, you will have a customized blog ready for publishing. Now, let's dive into the various pricing plans that GetGenie offers. Understanding these plans can help you choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. You can always sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. Now, we have the starter plan starting at $9 per month. This plan is perfect for individuals or small businesses who are just beginning their journey into SEO and content optimization. With the starter plan, you get access to essential features that allow you to perform basic SEO tasks and generate AI-driven content. It's a great way to get familiar with the tools and start seeing improvements in your website's performance. Next is the writer plan, starting at $17 per month. This plan is designed for content creators and bloggers who need more advanced tools to enhance their writing. The writer plan includes all the features of the starter plan, plus additional benefits like more content generation options and enhanced SEO analysis. This plan helps you produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content more efficiently, making it easier to attract and engage your audience. The Pro plan starts at $44 per month and is ideal for businesses and professionals who require comprehensive SEO and content optimization tools. With the Pro plan, you get everything included in the writer plan, along with advanced SEO features, priority support, and increased limits on content generation and keyword analysis. This plan is perfect for those who need to manage multiple websites or have higher content production demands. Finally, the Agency Unlimited plan, starting at $89 per month, is tailored for agencies and large enterprises. This plan offers unlimited access to all features, making it possible to handle extensive SEO campaigns and content creation projects. The Agency Unlimited plan provides the highest level of support and the most robust set of tools available, ensuring you can meet the demands of your clients and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Each of these plans is designed to cater to different needs and scales of operation, ensuring that whether you're an individual blogger, a growing business, or a large agency, there's a GetGenie plan that's right for you. You can also try out the annual plan to get 40% off. This is how you create customized content with GetGenie. If you have any suggestions or any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to improve your website SEO using GetGenie. I hope you found the information helpful and are excited to start optimizing your content. Remember, you can sign up for a free GetGenie account using the link in the description below. Until next time, keep optimizing and enhancing your content with the power of AI. Have a great day.